Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can create under maintenance page on Wix. It's really fast and easy, and let me show you how. So first you need to be on Wix editor and then press select the first option, menus and pages, and then press add pages page and then give it a name if you want to. As you can see here, there is a new page, so maintenance for example, and press done. And press 3 little dots and make sure that you set up this page as a home page so nobody can click to your links, and then press on settings, and then on the page here make sure to hide from the menu, and then on layout make sure that it's not standard with a header and footer. So for example, if you have a header and footer and you have home or contact us, basically people can scroll down to your page, so make sure that there's no header and footer, and on permissions and other stuff, so everything here is all right. And then when you've done this, then select maintenance, and then if you want to, you can as you can see here, select the background. So for example, let's make it white, and then if you want to, you can add text. So let's add heading, and here under maintenance, so I will do very generic but you will understand, right? Under maintenance, and then also you can add a paragraph and explain why you are on the maintenance. For example, due to hard situation on our business, we need to go offline for a while, or something like that, and just explain why you're under the maintenance. And also you can, if you want to, you can change background, and also you can add images here. So for example, you can add a maintenance sign or something like that. All right, probably there will be on Wix, I don't know, maybe not, but you just need to go on Google, save it and upload it, as you can see here, as upload to media, and you can upload a big maintenance sign, right? And after you're done, just press publish, and basically this will be your home page and nobody can click nowhere, and that's how you do that, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.